Right. If there's no spring on there, it usually means your spring's gone, your spring's broken. So to fix the spring, screwdriver in there, twist, pull the cover off like that. That's the spring that's broken. So screwdriver in here. Prise off the little star washer. It's a locking washer, an ordinary washer. Lift out your spring. It's a bit fiddly, but that's your spring out. That's a broken spring. So you get a new spring, that's your part that's broken. Get this part, hold it vertically like that, so that's vertical, and that goes into the hole just in there, in the metal part, in the steel part. So that goes in vertically. Like that, and then you turn this 90 degrees and that locks it in. So that's your pin, your spring fixed into that hole. Now this end goes into this part where there's little bosses in the plastic. There's a little hole in there. So the easiest way is get a pair of forceps and put the pin in the hole like that. Through there. Turn this back, and all you do is lift that whole thing over the pin like that, onto there. And that's it done really. And then you put your washer back on top, your little star washer. Make sure you get it the right way around. Push that back on, right down like that. That's it locked in. That's it done. Make sure you put a little bit of grease around the spring as you put it on. And it should spring back like that. So when your door's closed like that, you open it, and it swings back. If you open it from the outside, it does the same thing. That's it fixed. And then you get your cover. Put it on that side first. Put the two clips in. Push those two clips into the holes and push it on. That's it fixed.